In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a drop cap in Microsoft Word. A drop cap is that oversized first letter you often see at the beginning of a paragraph in magazines and books. It adds a polished, editorial feel and draws the reader's eye right where you want it, the start of your text. Let's walk through it so you can apply it quickly and confidently. Begin by placing your cursor in the paragraph where you want the drop cap. If you want Word to automatically use the very first character of that paragraph, just click anywhere inside that paragraph. If you prefer to be precise, highlight the very first letter you want to enlarge. Either approach targets the first letter of the paragraph, so choose the one that feels natural to you. Now go to the ribbon at the top and open the Insert tab. This tab holds tools for adding elements to your document, things like images, headers, and text features, so it's the right place for drop caps. In the Insert tab, locate the text group and click the Drop Cap button. A small menu will appear with style options. Pick the look you want. Choose Dropped if you'd like the big letter to sit inside the paragraph, occupying several lines while the surrounding text wraps around it. This is the classic book-style treatment and works beautifully for the first paragraph of a section. Choose in margin. If you want to keep your paragraph's left edge neatly aligned, and place the large letter in the margin to the left. This feels cleaner and can be ideal when you're working with narrow columns or want to preserve line length. If you change your mind or want to remove a drop cap that's already in place, choose None to return the paragraph to standard formatting. After choosing a style, take a moment to glance at how your text flows. If the first letter looks crowded or too dominant, try switching between dropped and in margin to see which complements your layout. The drop cap inherits the paragraph's font, so it will match your body text by default, helping it blend with your design without extra effort. If you're using drop caps throughout a document, repeat this same process for each opening paragraph to keep your design consistent. They're most effective at the start of chapters or longer sections, and less helpful for very short paragraphs. Aim for clarity and readability, and let the drop cap serve as a subtle visual anchor. And that's all it takes to add a professional-looking drop cap in Word. Quick, sake. Clear and elegant.